A very good morning to all dear parents and my dear students. Once again, a warm welcome to online classes of Erudite School of Learning, Fatehnagar. Today we will play a game. आज हम क्या करेंगे children? आज हम game खेलेंगे. In this class, we will do the revision and learn the alphabets through game. We will have lot of fun. So be ready. What you see, the pictures. You see a different pictures. आपको क्या दिख रही है? बहुत सारी pictures, different pictures. Now, tell me the first picture. What is the first picture? Very good. Apple. Clap one time. Very good. Now come on the second picture. What is this? A picture of ball. Very good. Now come on the third. What is this? The picture of cat. Very good. Now this is the picture of duck. Very good. Now this is elephant. This is a fish. And this is a grapes. This is a picture of house. And this is a picture of igloo. Now come on the next. This is a joker. This is a kite. Very good. And this is the king of jungle, lion. Now the game starts. What we have to do? You have to put a letter on the respective pictures. आपको क्या करना है? आपको गेम में जो पिक्चर्स हैं उनके अल्फाबेट्स, उनके लेटर्स आपको उनके पिक्चर के ऊपर पुट करने हैं. So you have to learn the alphabets. We will do revision. So speak with me the letters of alphabet. First letter is A. A for apple. Second, B. B for ball. Speak with me. C for cat. Again speak with me. D for duck. Now E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. Speak with me. G for grapes. H for house. H for house. I for igloo. I for igloo. J for joker. J for joker. K for kite. K for kite. Now last, L for lion. L for lion. Now speak with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Now I know my ABC. Now I know my ABC. Sing with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Now I know my ABC. Next time, want you to sing with me. Now again, we will start the game. On the count 3, what you do? You have to pick a letter and put on the picture. So, 1, 2, 3. Tell me the letter. This is the letter C. Very good. Now, where I have to put? Where? Here. No, this is the ball. This is the cat. So I have to put here. See the picture of cat. This is the picture of cat and this is the letter. So I have to put here. See here. This is the cat. First step I have done. Now come on the next. Look at the letter. What is the letter? Tell me the letter. J. Very good. J for joker. J for joker. Now again, search the picture of joker. Where is the joker? Here. No. Where is the joker? This is the picture of joker. So I have to put this letter on the joker. See here, I have put A here. This is J. J for joker. Now, what is this? This is letter. Very good. B. B for ball. B for ball. Now where is the picture of ball? Search the picture. This? No, this is a fish. Okay. Now this is the picture of ball. No, this is the picture of house. Where is the picture? This is apple. No. Yes, this is the picture of ball. Very good. Now this is the letter B and this is the picture of ball. So what I have to do? I have to put this letter on this picture. So put here B letter on the picture. B for ball. Speak with me. B for ball. Now see here. What is the letter? Very good. D. D for duck. D for duck. Now where is the duck? Search, where is the duck? This is the duck? No, this is elephant. This is, no, this is a kite. Where is the duck? Very good. This is a duck. So what I have to do? I have to put this letter D on this picture. This is a duck and this is a letter D. D for duck. Put here. Very good. D for duck. Now see the letter. What is the letter? कौन सा letter है ये? Very good. A. A for apple. A for apple. This is the letter A. So where is the apple? See. Search the apple. This. No, this is a fish. This, no, this is a igloo. Where is the apple? Here. Here is the picture of apple. Now, I have to put this letter on this picture. See here. I have put the picture on the letter on the picture apple. A for apple. Speak with me. A for apple. Now, what is this? This is letter E. Very good. E for elephant. E for elephant. Now, where is the elephant? Big animal. Where is a big animal? Very good. This is a picture of elephant. So, what I have to do? I have to put this letter letter E on the picture of elephant. See here, I put the letter E on the picture elephant. E for elephant. Speak with me. E for elephant. E for elephant. Now see the letter. What is this? Letter K. K for kite. Very good, children. So where is the picture of kite? Search the picture. Where's the kite? This one? No, this is a grapes. This one? No, this is a fish. This is a house. Now, what is this? Very good. This is a picture of kite. K for kite. Speak with me. K for kite. So what I have to do? You have to put this letter on the picture of kite. This is the picture of kite and this is letter K. K for kite. Speak with me. K for kite. See here, I have put here. This is a picture of kite and K for kite. Now, what is this? See the letter L. L for lion. L for lion. Now, where is the lion? The king of jungle. Where is the lion? This? No, this is a fish. Here is the lion, the king of forest. So what I have to do? You have to put this L letter on the picture of lion. See here, I am putting the letter L on the picture of lion. Speak with me. L for lion. So you all are having the fun. L for lion. L for lion. Now what is this? H. H for house. So where is the house? Search the house. This is a house? No. This is a house? Yes. Very good. This is the picture of house. So what I do? You have to put this letter H on the picture of house. H for house. Speak with me. H for house. See here, I am putting the letter H on the picture house. H for house. Now, what is this? This is letter G. G for grapes. G for grapes. Now, what I have to do? I have to put the letter G on the picture of grapes. So where is the grapes? This is a grapes? No, this is a fish. This is a grapes? Yes, this is a picture of grapes. So this letter put on the grapes. So I am putting the letter G on the grapes. G for grapes. Speak with me. G for grapes. Now come on the next letter. What is this? F. F for fish. F for fish. Now, where is the fish? Yes, this is the picture of fish. This is the letter F. F for fish. Now, put the letter F on the picture of fish. Speak with me. F for fish. F for fish. Now, the last. What is this? I. I for igloo. I for igloo. Now, where is the igloo? Search the igloo. Here. This is a picture of igloo. Now, put this letter I on the picture of igloo. See here, I am putting I for igloo. Speak with me. I for igloo. Now we will repeat again the alphabet. Speak with me. A for apple. B for ball. Again repeat. B for ball. C for cat. D for duck. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for house. Again, H for house. I for igloo. I for igloo. J for joker. J for joker. K for kite. K for kite. L for lion. L for lion. Now we have done the game. We are all having a lot of fun now, and we also do the revision of alphabets. हमने क्या किया children? हमने letters का alphabets का revision किया. Now we will learn the next letters of alphabet after the letter L. L for lion के बाद next letters हम learn करेंगे. So be ready we will learn the next new letters with new games. Be ready for the game. Now after the letter L for lion के बाद next letter कौन सा आता है? We will learn the next new letters in the alphabet after the L. L for lion के बाद कौन सा letter आता है? See here, this is letter M. Speak with me, M. Speak with me, M. M for monkey. The word start from the letter M is monkey. Have you seen the monkey? Monkey देखा है ना आपने? So I'll show you the picture of monkey. This is a monkey. This is a picture of monkey. See here. Now we will learn the phonic sound and the spelling of monkey. Now stand up and clap 3 times. We will sing a song of phonic sound. हम phonic sound learn करेंगे. Stand up and clap 3 times. M for monkey. M for monkey. Ma ma ma. So what is the phonic sound of M? M का phonic sound क्या हुआ? Ma. Again speak with me. Sing a song of phonic sound. Stand up and clap 3 times. M for monkey. M for monkey. Ma ma ma. Now the spelling of monkey. What is the spelling of monkey? Speak with me. M O N K E Y. Again. M O N K E Y. Monkey. M for monkey. Now after the M, what will come? The next letter is N. N for nest. The word start from letter N is nest. N for nest. I'll show you the picture of nest. See here. This is a nest. N for nest. What is inside the nest? It is eggs. Nest के अंदर क्या है? Eggs. See here the picture of nest. Now again stand up. We will sing a song of phonic sound. And letter का phonic sound हम learn करेंगे. Stand up and clap 3 times. N for nest. N for nest. No, no, no. So what is the phonic sound of N? No. Again sing a song. Clap 3 times. 1, 2, 3. N for nest. N for nest. No, no, no. So N का phonic sound is क्या है एन का फोनिक साउंड? न. Now we will learn the spelling of nest. See here the spelling of nest. Speak with me. N E S T. Nest. Again, speak with me. N E S T. Nest. And for nest. Now we will come on the next letter. N letter के बाद कौन सा letter आता है? What is the next letter? O. O for owl. O for owl. The word starting from letter O is owl. Have you seen the picture of owl? आपने owl का picture कभी देखा है? I'll show you the picture of owl. Owl का picture मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. Here is the owl, baby owl. Who is this? Owl, baby owl. O for owl. Now, see here. Speak with me. O for owl. Again, stand up and sing a song of phonic sound. Clap 3 times. O for owl. O for owl. O, O, O. Again sing. O for owl. O for owl. O, O, O. So the phonic sound of O is O. O का phonic sound क्या होता है? O. Now we will learn the spelling of owl. Speak with me. Owl. O for owl. See here. O W L. Again speak. O W L. Owl. So we have learned the spelling of owl. Now after the O, the letter is, what is this? P. P for peacock. The word starting from letter P is peacock. P for peacock. Speak with me. P for peacock. Now, here is the peacock. What is this? The picture of peacock. See here. This is a baby peacock. Now, we will learn the phonic sound. Again stand up. We will learn the phonic sound. Speak with me and sing a song of phonic sound. P for peacock. P for peacock. P, P, P. So, P का phonic sound क्या हुआ? P. Now, we have learned the spelling of peacock. We will read the spelling of peacock. See here. P E A C O C K. Peacock. P for peacock. Again, speak with me. The spelling of peacock. P E A C O C K. Peacock. Now we will play a game. What you all are seeing? क्या दिख रहा है आपको चिल्ड्रन? ट्रेन. You are seeing a train. ट्रेन दिख रही है ना आपको? So now we will play a game. अब हम एक गेम खेलेंगे. Now आपको ट्रेन के टायर्स में लेटर्स दिख रहे हैं. This is a letters in the tire of train. So in the game what you have to do? You have to put the picture of respective letters in the empty boxes. आपको ये जो empty boxes दिख रहे हैं ना, इनमें आपको क्या करना है? आपको इनकी जो pictures हैं, like M for monkey. So you have to put the picture of monkey in this box. Okay. Now we will read the letters. So read with me the letter in the tire. M. M for monkey. M for monkey. Then N. N for nest. Then O. O for owl. O for owl. Then P. P for peacock. P for peacock. Now what you have to do, when I count 3, you will start a game. Okay, now 1, 2, 3. What is the first letter? M. M for monkey. Then pick the picture of monkey. This is a picture of monkey. Monkey है ना? So आपको क्या करना है? You have to put this picture in the empty place. This is the empty seat in the train. एक ट्रेन में एक empty seat है जहाँ कोई नहीं बैठा, तो हमें यहाँ पर किसको बिठाना है? We have to put this picture of monkey in that seat. Okay. Now see, this is letter M and this is picture of monkey. Speak with me. M for monkey. Again speak with me. M for monkey. Now put this picture in that box. Wow! हमने monkey को बिठा दिया. We have put the picture of monkey in the train. Now come on the next letter. N. N for nest. Very good. N for nest. Now tell me what you have to do. You have to put the picture of nest. This is the nest and you have to put in the box of train. This is the seat in the train. It is empty and you have to fill it with the picture of nest. Now N for nest. Again speak with me. N for nest. Put it in the box. Wow, you are playing very well. Now next letter is O. O for owl. Now O for owl. What you have to do? You have to pick that picture of owl and put in the box. आपको क्या करना है? आपको ट्रेन के बॉक्स में owl का पिक्चर पुट करना है. This is the empty box and you have to fill it. आपको इसको fill करना है. Again speak with me. O for owl. O for owl. Now put it in the box. Wow! It looks very cool. Now you are playing a very well game. What is the next letter? P. P for peacock. Again speak with me. P for peacock. Now what you have to do? You have to fill this box. You have to put the picture of peacock in the empty box. आपको क्या करना है? ट्रेन के empty box में आपको peacock का picture put करना है. Now again, see here, this is a peacock. P for peacock. Again speak with me. P for peacock. So put here in the empty place. Wow, you all do very well. You are playing very well game. Now this is a train, fully filled train. अब ये train क्या हो गई है? पूरी fill हो गई है. Now again we will read the letters with the spelling. Now speak with me. M. M for monkey. M for monkey. What is the spelling of monkey? M O N K E Y. Monkey. Now come on the next. N. N for nest. N for nest. Here's the spelling of nest. Speak with me. N-E-S-T. Nest. Now the letter O. O for owl. Speak with me. O for owl. O for owl. What is the spelling of owl? O-W-L. Owl. Again speak with me. The spelling of owl. O-W-L. Owl. Now the last P. P for peacock. Speak with me. P for peacock. This is P letter and this is peacock. P for peacock. Speak with me. The spelling of peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. Now you have played a game very well. Now in your at your home, what you have to do? You have to learn the alphabets and play a game like this. You can play a game like this at your home. Till then, take care and keep studying.